Hello, and thank you for joining us for this presentation of the Discovery Builder. Now, the Discovery Builder is the tool that allows users to create the discovery packages. Now, this Discovery Builder can be launched from a couple of different locations. For this particular presentation, we're going to launch it from the Case Viewer. As I scroll down, you'll see the Discovery button right here. We'll click on that, and it will load the Discovery Builder for this particular case. You'll notice on the left a list of available documents. You'll notice up in the right-hand corner, document properties for this particular case. Now, the list for the available documents can be very long, depending on the given case. So you are able to filter what documents appear in this list, utilizing the filter mechanism here at the top. I can say, show me only those documents marked for discovery, and it'll list only those documents that have been marked for discovery. I can select only those not marked as part of a discovery package. In other words, they're available to be made part of a discovery package, or not marked for discovery. So these are documents that have not been marked for discovery. And if you recall from the MSI Profiler presentation, the idea is that discovery box. Remember, we clicked or checked that discovery box to make it available for discovery. That process is what drove us to being able to select it here to be part of a discovery package. Your sort orders can be by doc type, subtype, or newest document first. Now, I'll go off and select a couple of documents. I can select them individually or hold the Shift key down and grab a few. I can also grab them individually. And if you'll notice, if I try to click on a document that is already part of a discovery package, when I click on it and hit copy, it throws an error saying this is, or you cannot do this because this is not available for discovery. Remember, the red ones have already been chosen for discovery. If I try to choose one that's not been marked for discovery, I'll be presented with a similar issue. Now, if I want, I can review the documents that are part of a discovery package or that should be part of a discovery package by hitting the View icon button. The user can now scroll through that document, take a look at it, zoom in, zoom out, do what needs to be done to review that particular document. They can also review additional information about that document. Class type, subtype, if there's a description, a validation that's been marked for discovery, or it wouldn't even be allowed to be part of that list. Who added it and when, who modified it and when. And of course, as you would expect, you can view the documents either from the available list or from the selected list. Same with the information as well. So once you've selected the appropriate documents that need to be part of this particular discovery package, if you'll look over here to the right, you'll check the publish information. The number of pages that you have selected will be listed here. So in other words, there are 17 pages that make up these three documents. If I grab another document, the page number goes up. The existing discovery that's currently been created, there are 372 pages. Therefore, our starting page number will be 373. Our new ending page number will be 395. I can control the status. At this point, it would just be created. And if I want, I can also build a redacted defense and a redacted per copy. If you have already seen the presentation on the case viewer, it tells you how to go off and take these two copies, redact them, and make them ready to be sent out. So I'll select redacted defense because I want to make one. And at this point, I can hit the publish button. But before I do that, let's take a look around. You can hit this icon to be able to see other discovery packages that have been created. And here is a list. And this will include regular ones as well as digital discovery packages. You can also take note that apparently there are documents marked for discovery that are not printable. Now, if you recall again from our search presentation where we took a look at discovery search, you can create discovery packages for audio files or WAV files, files that can't be printed. when you're in the Discovery Builder, even though in the Discovery Builder, you're building discovery packages from paper or scanned or emailed in or faxed in documents, it warns you that says, hey, I understand you're doing this, but keep in mind there's stuff here for digital discovery. And you can click here and you can go off and build that digital discovery package. Now, as I said, we've selected our documents. We're all set. Pages, status. We're going to make a redacted defense as well as an original. And I simply hit publish. When I hit publish, it'll advise me that it's being created. Once it's created, I will get an email notification saying your document has now been created. Here's an example of that notification here. So basically it's telling me, hey, your discovery is complete. It's ready to go. And in this email will be a link to this particular document, at which point I can then view it. Now, not only can I view it that way, but remember, I was in the case document viewer before. So I'll go off and I will click Discovery. And I'll just click Original for purposes of this discussion and hit Set Filter. And here is my newly created document. And if you look at the icon for information, it was created today, moments ago, if you will. And if I scroll down, for the bait stamp, you'll see 373 is our first page. And it's original, and here is our DA number. So from here, I can export that document if need be, or I can email that off to the appropriate people right from the case viewer. So I hope you'd enjoy this presentation of the Discovery Builder and get a better understanding on the capabilities of building electronically your discovery packages. Thank you again, and we look forward to seeing you at our next presentation.